Good day, everyone. I am John Lensky Pasquaniki.
And I am Marian Anang Batulis.
We are from Grade 12 Humes. And for today's activity, in Philippine politics and governance, we will present civic responsibility in action. Voices from our community.
We choose public health initiatives as our focus because health is one of the most important responsibilities shared by both the government and citizens. A healthy community leads us to a stronger society.
To better understand this, we interview a barangay health worker who plays an important role in promoting health services and care for our community.
Are you ready to learn? Let's go!
Good day, everyone. Today I am here with Mrs. G. Lofranco, one of the barangay health worker supervisor. Please help me welcome Mrs. G. Lofranco.
Hi, good afternoon.
How was your day, Tita? Okay, so are you ready for the interview? Thank you so much for allowing me to interview with you, Tita. So, our first question is, why do you think being a responsible citizen is important in our community and our country?
Para sa akin, it is important because marami sa ating mga as PHW, kami nag-searching para safety first sa ating mga country.
Well, thank you so much. So, let's proceed for our next question. As a barangay health worker, how do you contribute in public health in our community?
So, ang question is, ang makontribute naman is ka na mag-assist din sa mga mag-monitor sa mga masakitong, mag-assist sa mga health services, mga hindi, basta sa mga sakit-sakit ng mga panundan. Isang goal naman is parang wala kung kayo magsakit ng mga kabatanunan, especially sa mga natutulog. So safety first, good.
Thank you so much. So, the third question is, what challenges do you face in encouraging people to participate in health programs?
So, challenges nila no, dagang tayo wala. Especially karon na kuan outbreak ni sa ina. So, daghan kayo mga busters din mo kayo. Nila makadaot ano ba? So, challenge ko ni ana nga mga kuan kanang mga istorya sa Facebook, ito. Maraming ka ng na-trigger nyo nga dapat good na mag-gusto na para sa iyo.
Thank you so much. So, the fourth question is, what advice can you give to young people about promoting health and civic responsibility?
So, to the young people, kabataan nyo, nahulan dyan na contribute o tuon sa mga activities labi na dito sa about sa health. Hindi ba sa imposible mo naman mag-andun sa health. Pero nga mo lang is dahil naman magkaroon kayo, isa gamura kayo sabi lang may isa balik ka po. Mga ano dito, kami mag-ito mga kabataan. Dapat una din ang mga kagalimon. Parang then, ang isa is kami maghatag ng service o taas ang mga asensya sa like mga batalimon, mga kahit ulo yan. No? So taas ko yung pasensya, anak nila, education, students' responsibility.
Thank you so much. So the last question is, what improvements would you like to see in our community regarding public health?
So, ano nga question? Ang gusto gid mo, ang goal gid sa kuan sa health is wala may magsakit. So, nana na gid ang among mo ginamong gina-promote gid sa community pero naagit iba niya. Pero kasi kung siguro kung makuan gid kung matabang na po tanan ng mga kapalit sa serbisyo ng dunya nga walay kapalit niya. So, smile lang ta na naka-servisyo pa siya mga
Wow, thank you so much, Tita, for your yung pagsugot sa mo. Daw, ang tabang Tita. Thank you, Tita.
Sige. Salamat.
Bye. From our interview, we learned that civic responsibility is not just about voting, following laws, it's also about actively participating programs to promote public welfare.
Public health is a shared responsibility between the government and the people. When citizens cooperate, government programs will become more effective.
As a young citizen, my role is to stay informed, follow guidelines, and encourage others to do the same. Civic responsibility starts with awareness and action.
In conclusion, civic responsibility in public health help us strengthen our community and our nation.
Through cooperation, awareness, and active participation,
We can create a healthier and more responsible society.
Thank you so much and may God bless us all. We're going to present from grade 12 Humes.
We are not there.
We to better understand this, we interviewed and promoting health awareness. Siya! Rakar! Interviewed citizen because I love you all.
Community, mga facilities shared by both the government.
It is not just about
Participation, active